In this video, I'll go through some word problems that can be used for dividing fractions. So we'll use the examples from the previous video, and we're going to be thinking about bags of chocolate chips and batches of cookies. So keep that in mind when I go through these examples. I'm just going to change the colour of the pen. And first of all, I'm going to think about this from the perspective of how many groups. And the groups in this context are going to be batches of cookies. Okay, so let's start by thinking about 2/3 divided by 2/9. And I'm going to imagine that one batch of cookies needs 2/9 of a bag of chocolate chips. So I'll just write that down here. Okay, so one batch needs 2/9 of a bag of chocolate chips. And I have 2/3 of a bag of chocolate chips. So this is what I have. So the question is, how many batches of cookies can I make if I have 2/3 of a bag of chocolate chips, but one batch of cookies only needs 2/9 of a bag of chocolate chips? Well, the answer is I can make 3 batches of cookies. I can make 3 batches of cookies if I have 2/3 of a bag of chocolate chips and one batch only needs 2/9 of a bag of chocolate chips. Let's apply that to the second fraction division problem down here. So I have 1/4 of a bag of chocolate chips, and now one batch of cookies, it needs 3/4 of a bag of chocolate chips. So in this case, I can only make 1/3 of a batch of cookies, because I only have 1/4 of a bag of chocolate chips, but one batch of cookies needs 3/4 of a bag of chocolate chips, so I can only make 1/3 of a batch. Okay, so that's fraction division from the perspective of asking how many groups, or batches in this case,